Good afternoon, everybody. We are back home. Just heating up some leftover dinner from last night. I cooked bow tie pasta with Alfredo sauce, regular pasta sauce, and Waffles is in the. She's in there barking, and right now Brittany has me refilling their water jug. So y'all come along with me so I can refill Waffles' bougie water. Yeah, bougie water. Now watch this. If it gets it close enough, you may be able to see it. Yeah, let's slide her out just to here. There you go. Watch this. Oh Lord. Hold on. Refilling their water jug. Well, her boom breaks. It literally just flows. So, but yes, we're back from Disney. We actually had an enjoying time. Sorry. We actually enjoyed our 2 days in the park. I think we got another trip planned. Hopefully soon. You still can't see me. I'm sorry about that, guys. Let me go down with just a hair. Try to make everything go. I gotta make tea, Kool-Aid. I'm gonna shower. Work on a couple stuff. Figure out what to post. Make sure y'all go check out our TikToks that we have recently posted. Make sure you go look at the videos that we have posted from there, the room tour, and our 2-day vlogs. We actually enjoyed Animal Kingdom a little bit this time. Guys, remember we forgot to mention anything about it. I don't know how we forgot it, but we forgot to mention the Flower and Garden Festival is actually going on right now at Epcot. So if you're down there around April, May, I think it's April, or starts in springtime and ends right at summer, and there's a break in between summer and like December for like the Food and Wine Festival. There's a break in between. There's like no festivals, but I would recommend going to it. They got good food there during the festival, at least. There's good food at Epcot anyway. Never a dull meal there. But I'm gonna stop this video. I'm gonna eat, do some stuff around the house, and we'll catch up with you whenever Brittany gets here. We see y'all after a while. All right, guys. Well, now I said I was gonna get back with y'all whenever Brittany got home, but I thought I would hop back on here and talk to y'all about a little bit of stuff. Other than what we have had planned. Yes, I'm wearing my department's, not EMS, but my fire department's shirt. Blue's outside at this moment. Drake is somewhere hidden. Yes, I'm hitting my vape because I found out I had a fully charged one. God knows where the heck that came from. Making tea. I've been washing dishes, made tea. We're making tea now, made Kool-Aid. Refilled the water jug, but I'm going to talk about basically everything that we have did and what we've got planned. We're planning on doing at least one out-of-state thing per month. It don't matter if it's in North Carolina, Tennessee, Florida, Georgia, anywhere really around here, like the close vicinities of us. Kind of wanting to go back to Disney real soon. Mainly for the Food and Wine Festival. I try to do just a all-day Epcot vlog for y'all, just so y'all can understand what the Food and Wine Festival is all about, or like what the Flower and Garden Festival is all about. I forgot to really mention that in these past 2 vlogs this month. Sorry, these past 2 vlogs this past weekend. We went to, like I said, we went to Disney Springs. We stayed at the Holiday Inn right there at Disney Springs. Well, 15 minutes. It wasn't bad of a walk. Like, we would thought, like, hey, it was going to be a long walk from there to there. Wasn't nothing else to walk down, go to the first crossover, and then we're in the Springs right there, Earl Sandwich and the Christmas store and the toy store that they got there. Like, all right there within each other is like Rainforest Cafe, Earl Sandwich, not Ghirardelli, but like the toy store, Star Wars, Pin Traders, Rainforest. Everything was right there where you walk over where we were, but you could walk over from Saratoga Springs. The hotels that they got there that you can walk over real quick. Let me wash my hands and I'll explain it to y'all once I get done. Get the Kool-Aid off my hands. I got a lot of Kool-Aid on my hands. I don't know how to just figure that out. You got the hotels like the Hilton's there. Hilton, the DeRay. Y'all correct me in the comments if I'm saying it wrong. DeRay. Saratoga Springs is there. Right around that whole area too is going to be like Port Orleans. Not Port Orleans. Old Key West Resort's not too far from there, actually. And if y'all know, me and Brittany looked into getting DVC our first time going there. Shout out to Victor. Victor, if you're still working there, you're still watching this, shout out to you for selling it on to us. We just haven't made that decision to pull the trigger and go ahead and buy it and do it. We went with the lowest points at that time. Not gonna lie, it's like $500 a month for it. But you go off your points, you don't really stay off of your. In my opinion, it's worth it. We just like haven't said, you know what, let's pull the trigger, go ahead and spend that money, or we can just go to like Disney's. Waffle's looking at me. Go to like Disney World, Disneyland, stay in them hotels there, stay at, let me see, Hilton Head, stay at Vero Beach, stay at Alani to pull the trigger. You can go to any Disney resort in the world, basically, and stay off of your points. The only ones I don't think you can do it for is going to be Disneyland Paris, Shanghai, Tokyo. Don't quote me on that. I will do my research and I will get with y'all on Instagram about that, actually. I do know, Victor did tell us, we can use points for Disney cruises. So, something for y'all to look at. Disney cruises. Speaking of Disney cruises, I canceled that cruise because we had some stuff come up and we're trying to figure out what we want to do. We may not do a Disney cruise, but we may do a whole week in Disney, or we may do like one of the Royal Caribbeans and then hop over to Disney for like 4 or 5 days after that in December. Like, who knows? I am planning to go to Not So Scary. I'm not gonna lie there, I'm going to Not So Scary. We may go to Halloween Horror Nights. Scare Ones may be one. Don't know really how much Brittany feels about that, but Scare Ones may be one. I do want to get up with my buddies. I know we have been trying to plan it, but in between all our scheduling and everything, it don't work out great. It's Malona Travels, which is Blake and Josie. They're a local couple too. They're about an hour away from us. Really wanting to get in with them. Trying to figure out a nice little vlog. I know they just went to Helen, Georgia, so that vlog may be up real soon. Go check out their Instagram. I will have it linked down below. Their channel name and their Instagram. So make sure y'all go watch them, guys. I may hop back on here. This may be the end of it. So who knows if this is the end of this vlog. Brittany may want to make a special appearance. Who knows? But just some ideas to give y'all of what we got coming on and planned up. And me and Brittany talked about that when we were in Florida this past weekend. I like wanting to do at least go out of state once a month instead of just having just straight home vlogs. Go around this beautiful state of South Carolina and just go show y'all everything there is that we can offer here. I know my little town, well, mine and Brittany's little town, we got, well, counting Black River too. I mean, counting Williamsburg County altogether. We got a couple little historical stuff. We got the Battle of King Street. You got the Battle of Little Bridge, which is 377. You got the Battle of Mingo, which is down around the Georgetown County area, closer towards Georgetown County than us. Is around the Hemingway area. You got Thorntree House here in King Street. You got a beautiful little bed and breakfast that our mayor and his wife owns. I will link that down below too, their site for that. Little beautiful stuff. Y'all come on to Williamsburg County. I mean, we love y'all. When you're here, we're trying to. Williamsburg County in general we're growing, and with our new county manager, everything's up. Again, make sure y'all come check out Thorntree House, and make sure y'all check out their bed and breakfast. Like I said, I will link them down below. Come here, support our local businesses. I support our local businesses all the time. Downtown Cafe is one of the main ones that I support. I love them. Miss Pam there is amazing. The food is amazing. Make sure y'all come check her out whenever y'all come to this county. But if that's the end of this video here, I will end it with y'all. Remember, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Make sure you follow our channels. Make sure you go to all the links that I posted down below for these people. And guys, remember, you may be old, but you're younger at heart. We'll see you on the next one.